Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you two ways how you can reset your Dreo, the portable heater that you have. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to just press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. So when it's going to be turned on, press and hold it for 15 seconds. Also what you can try to do is to turn it off, and again, when you turn it off, press and hold it for 15 seconds. These are the two ways, and the last way is just you want to unplug it if it's not working, let's say for about 10 to 15 minutes. And possibly it's going to fix the issue by itself, but this is the things that you can try. This is something that I found on their website, so maybe I hope it's going to be beneficial for you also on how you can fix the issue if you have with the Dreo portable heater. So yeah, first have it turned on and press and hold the power button, or what you can try to do for like 15 seconds, unplug it for 15-20 seconds, and that's it. So thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.